You ever had those days where you're really struggling to hit your protein goals? You're going to be busy all day. You're like, how am I going to hit my protein goals today if I'm going to be this busy? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to show you how to get around 160 grams of protein and about 1,100 calories or so. So look at some of these options. I'm going to show you a breakfast, some quick lunches and snacks that you can have throughout the days to make sure you hit your protein goals. Now, these are only suggestions. My thing is I like to hit a certain protein goal each day. By the end of the day, I like to make sure I've hit my protein goal. So if you don't want to eat so much protein in one meal, go ahead and break it up throughout the day. However, the way I do it, I try to hit my protein goals, and I pretty much do every single day. So I'm here to show you ways that I do it. Take some of these options. If you're looking for options to add more protein into your diet, this video will definitely help you out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know what you use to hit your protein goals. Put it in the comments and it can help us all out, because this channel is all about helping everybody out. So let me know what y'all do as well. I'm gonna show you what I do. Hopefully this video help you out. Let me know if it does. First up, I'm gonna show you a breakfast I've been having for a long time now. And you know, whenever I have a busy morning coming up or a busy day coming up, I'm like, man, I gotta pack in some protein. I gotta make sure I get some protein early. So for breakfast, I've been having this. If you follow me on my other social medias, you'll see that I have this a lot. So I keep it pretty simple. All you gotta do is you go get you some beef. Like this right here is Laura's beef, 96 lean. Laura's is great. If you can find Laura's, check it out. HEB has lean beef. Kroger, anyway, a lot of places have some lean beef. So this is 96 lean beef. I like to get the leaner because it's a little bit less fat, and I get my fats also from other sources. But if they only have 93, go with that if you want to. But man, 96 lean beef. Okay, so what I do is I use 7 ounces. Now you don't have to use 7 ounces. I use 7 ounces because I'm trying to get some protein in. I don't know when the next time I'm gonna get some more protein in. So I use 7 ounces of this beef. Go get some eggs. Come on now, you gotta keep eggs. I eat eggs all the time. So what I do with this meal, this is just a high protein breakfast. So I'm gonna use 7 ounces of beef. I'm gonna use 2 eggs, all right? So I'm going to use 2 eggs, and got to go with that cottage cheese. Now, come on. Now, if you can find good culture cottage cheese, go get that. A lot of times it's out of stock, but Daisy is just as good. Let me know in the comments which cottage cheese you recommend. But Daisy is a good solid option. Also, half a cup gets you 13 grams of protein. So this meal right here, this breakfast that I'm making, is going to be about a little over 70 grams of protein. So that's 7 ounces of beef, 2 eggs, half a cup of cottage cheese. Now what I like to do is cook the beef first in the pan, and then I move it over to the side. I put down either a little spray butter or just some regular butter off the block. I put that there, and then I add in the 2 eggs, and then I add in half a cup of cottage cheese. So I do this a lot. You don't have to eat it like this. I know, because at the end, see, what I like to do is after it's all cooking, eventually I just mix it all together. I just mix that joker all up and I just eat that. Okay, it sounds crazy, but it's super, super tasty, and it has a lot of protein in it. Okay, it doesn't look the best. if you see it on the plate, it's not the best looking meal, but it does taste good, and it will help you get your protein goals. Come on now, you're starting out your morning with about 70 grams of protein in one meal. You cannot beat that. Okay, so you don't have to eat it all together. What you can do, you can just eat that beef by itself, eat the eggs by themselves, and eat that cottage cheese by themselves. Or what you can do, if you don't get down with mixing cottage cheese with everything, eat the cottage cheese separate. Okay, what I like to do as well is just put cottage cheese in a measuring cup, half a cup, and I'll just eat it out of that cup to hold myself accountable, so I know exactly how much I'm getting. But what you can do is just cook the eggs and cook the beef, mix that together, and have the cottage cheese on the side. Because I'm telling you, when you do put it on that plate, if you mix it all together, it's not gonna look the best, but it will taste good. I can almost guarantee that. So give it a shot, man. I used to think it was crazy at first too, until I started eating it all together. I started mixing it all together, and man, you got your power breakfast right there. You got 70 grams of protein. That joker will hold you down, I'm trying to tell you. All right, so let me show you what you're gonna have later on in the day to keep bumping that protein up. Now remember, these are just quick and easy options, okay? All right, next up, or I guess you can call it a snack, but man, it's gonna taste really good. I eat yogurt at least once a day. Some type of yogurt. I eat Fage yogurt, I eat Chobani yogurt, I eat Okios yogurt, I eat ratio yogurt, all kinds of yogurt. There's so many different ways. I always highly recommend you eat yogurt. It's such a great way to get your protein. It's a great way to get probiotics. And they just make it taste so good these days. So what I would recommend, I always recommend you go with the ratio yogurts. All right, now this is the highest protein yogurt you can find that comes in these little containers. Each ratio yogurt has 25 grams of protein in it, okay? So go look for these ratio yogurts. Everywhere has them. I'm at Kroger, Walmart has them, HEB has them. Publix has them. Everybody has ratio yogurt. So go check these out. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get 25 grams of protein, you cannot beat this. But if you don't want to get down with ratio, you can also go check out Chobani. Chobani has one, it's 20 grams of protein, so that's fine as well. It's not as high as ratio, but if you don't like ratio yogurts, go look for Chobani. Chobani is a solid option as well. If you don't like either one of those options, you can go check out Okios Pro. These yogurts right here coming in 20 grams of protein. Come on now, you cannot beat that. So there's plenty of options that you can look for. Just try to get you around 20 grams of protein. That'll make it real simple. I go with ratio because I like it. You don't have to go with ratio if you don't want to. There are so many different options these days. You don't have to stick to one. Try them out. Try all three out and see which one you like. You can buy them in the single containers. You know, just be like, oh, I don't like this one, but I like this one. Go try it out. You never know, right? So what I do is I like to mix one of those yogurts with one of these right here, these Chomps Beef Sticks. These things are a cheat code. I'm trying to tell you, one stick is going to get you 10 grams of protein. You can take these anywhere. I keep one in my gym bag. If you see me on my other videos, I have one of these in the side of my gym bag. I keep them in my vehicle. You can keep them in your backpacks, your purse. Just keep them at the office. It don't matter. These things are so quick. An easy way to get you 10 grams of protein, and they are a great snack. Okay, 100 calories, 10 grams of protein. You cannot beat this. If you don't want to mix it with that, you know, sometimes if you don't have the yogurt available, just take one of these, a carbonated water or like an A&W root beer, and that'll hold you down right there. I'm trying to tell you, but get you one of these beef sticks. Have this with that protein. That's going to be kind of your mid-morning snack, right? Now we're on the go. We're heading out of the house. We're like, man, I got to get something to eat real quick. I don't have time I don't want to pull over and get something to eat, but I gotta get my protein. So I highly recommend you look for these right here. These Core Power, I always talk about these. If you know, you know on these. Let me know if you have these Core Powers. If you don't drink these Core Powers, let me know what you use as an alternative. Now this bottle right here is going to get you 42 grams of protein right here. You can easily take this anywhere with you. You're going to hit your protein goals because I mean, this just makes it so easy. They have a vanilla, they have strawberry, and they have chocolate, okay? 42 grams of protein. You can find these anywhere, Kroger, Walmart, H-E-B. Everybody has these Core Powers. They taste amazing. If you know, you know. Let me know if you use these, okay? So go check you out one of these. Keep these with you as well. They're so easy to travel with. I can't recommend these enough. I drink these all the time. So I highly recommend you get you one of these. And then just to keep it simple, as the day goes on, you're probably gonna get hungry again. Just have you another beef stick, okay? I like the jalapeno one because I like a little spice in it. You don't have to get the jalapeno. You can get the regular flavor. I'm trying to tell you, go try these out, okay? Now so basically today you're gonna have 2 of these beef sticks. That's 20 grams of protein right there and only 200 calories, all right? Two of these sticks, that's what you're gonna have, okay? So that's it, guys. That's how to get 160 grams of protein and about 1,100 calories. Now, this is only a video to show you how to get your protein. I highly recommend you also add fruits. I'll highly recommend you eat vegetables. I eat vegetables all the time. I eat fruits all the time. Go look at my other videos. I show you the fruits and vegetables I recommend. Always try to add a fruit and vegetable, but this is just ways to up your protein. If that's something that you're struggling with, I mean, I used to struggle with getting protein into my diet a lot. And I found different ways to do it. And I try to do it the healthiest ways possible. I'm always on the go. I'm a stay-at-home dad. I'm always on the go. So I'm always looking for ways to take protein with me, you know, that's quick and easy. Now those yogurts, what you do is you get you a little cooler, throw your little ice in there and take that yogurt with you, a little spoon, and there's just no excuse. You have to make these foods work for you, okay? Basically, these are just some of the options that I use and I like to share with you as well. If you're looking to get your protein up, this is a way to get you 160 grams of protein and not that many calories, all right? So just take some of these meals. Like I say, you don't have to eat that much protein in one meal. If you don't want to eat 70 grams of protein in one meal, then just try to break it up. This is just ways to show you, this is what I eat, this is what I do, and I hit my protein goals every single day, and I'm here to help you do the same. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if this video helped you out. Comment below. Let me know what you eat to hit your protein goals. If you struggle with your protein goals, let me know some other ways that might help you out. And I'll keep making these videos, and let's all keep getting better. Let's go.